in the description.
Oh, that's right. Old man got stabbed by crazy.
I can't either. I can't believe power is tending to him.
Yeah, he's like, I lived a life of debt. I'm not doing this shit.
Oh, here we are. We're doing it.
I'm excited to see what everyone else does.
Oh, that wasn't that big of a jump at all.
Very different version of that shot. That's it.
Yeah.
You guys are like the end.
Rock him out, Daniel.
Oh, you're ready for this? Oh my god.
Like, eternity. Like, I just saw them all.
Oh my god. Ow, holy shit, dude.
He twisted off.
Oh, he didn't.
What did he heal?
I don't think it is.
Keep cutting until I do.
Yeah, I think he can go forever, bro. Oh, he's fighting
Going fucking crazy. How long can Denji keep this off?
This is a fucking, this is a grody one.
What do you mean, devil? What? What do you mean?
No.
Get in that shot.
We don't need that now. Oh my god, you already posed around.
I know. They're saying like, oh,
the best one.
I think for a while.
That's why.
Are they talking about Poach Town?
I thought it meant like.
Poach Town was so little and cute though. Like, what was it always little like that?
Once he was like a
Eternity clearly knows Pochita.
Chainsaw.
Because he's like, I knew you were still alive, Chainsaw.
Let's just get back
he keeps
into it.
calling Genji Chainsaw.
Yeah, Chainsaw Man. He's Chainsaw Man.
Right, but that implies that Eternity has met him at some point.
No,
Yeah,
he meant.
I feel like this.
Watch Poach doesn't use like the gun devil.
Stuff.
But Genji dropped himself and Eternity's like, oh, I knew you were still alive.
Yeah, because he's met Chainsaw before. He met Pochita.
He looks so cool when he does
He
that,
knew
bro.
the Chainsaw Devil
Anyway.
previous to this encounter.
But Pochita was not this.
I think the chainsaws are enough.
But then there's like
You know what I mean?
feeding him a
I get the
What
vibe
is
that the
that?
devils know each other.
psychedelic
Oh no, I just
snail.
thought it
Don't
was like
trust that boss.
in the moment.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just felt like it would be weird for him to say, "I knew you were still alive," when he's been hanging out with him for like 5 days. course
Yeah,
he's
but he
alive.
wanted the friends to kill him.
Win egg.
But the friends didn't kill him.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's
I
what
don't
he said.
know
I knew you were
anymore.
still alive. And your
It's
friends
one of those
didn't
things
kill
where
you,
it's like,
feed you to me.
is it changing, or do you just zero in on stuff that you haven't really registered
Okay.
before? You know what I mean? 'Cause
Maybe.
it's very frenetic, but I do feel like they have added.
Is my guy gonna die?
Or like just cut back to
Somebody gonna do something? Hockey power.
It's like, well, I don't even know.
Oh, you blood.
Power's the blood devil. She like throw you a line.
Oh, how did you get that blood? There we go.
Okay, well that worked.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta keep
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I've been in a dumpster before. This is light work.
Oh my god. It's so like violent.
Now he's gonna
Yeah.
be able to kiss that
Usually a
girl.
big accomplishment for him was having jam.
This guy's so sick.
Who's this guy with the fucking half Joker scar?
I don't trust you in those earrings.
Wow.
Shit. Denji's got some fucking
We've seen him in the intro
bolts and
before.
knots he needs to put back in, dude.
Yeah, another partner.
Was this your mentor?
You gotta
Subaru?
be a little off.
They still make Subarus.
This fucking Ichi the Killer fucking motherfucker right
on
here.
his face.
Yeah.
The fear of the devils make them stronger, bro.
まともなわけないじゃないですか。Like, no, he's got
Alright, the gun devil is the big bad here. So this is like a really big thing. This isn't like the bad devil. It's not like the eternity devil.
I mean, there's a bunch of them. I mean,
I
like,
think I thought the tomato devil was a threat.
like a bunch of them, like I think have like a personal stake in wanting to see the gun devil get put down.
I could tell you.
Dude, Denji's
I
just
think
the
Denji and Power are like.
I love this. Like,
So is
we need
Power,
to assemble a
though.
team.
Yeah.
He's like so
Master
random.
of
Of the most unhinged individuals.
You're not drinking enough.
A team of unhinged individuals is a
You don't have
great
to
name.
resist it.
Is this the
I bet you
hottest
it's
of the
that
show?
one.
You got like
Yeah.
freaking
Yeah.
cut from like here to
I
here.
also think, yeah, if I was hunting devils, just trip out, like just take a bunch of acid.
I gotta lie, she's a real
And then
one
you're
for
on
that.
another planet,
Visiting
devils
the
don't know
graves, I
what to
mean,
Well, if you hopefully you don't give them as much. Well, hopefully you don't give them as
Better be
much
two
like
steps.
fear, maybe or whatever. It's just like you're just kind of seeing stuff or whatever.
They call it
Yeah. Well, you gotta lean into
Unless
it.
you have a bad trip, and then you got all the fear.
Oh, then it's like, yeah,
wait,
that's
who's the
then it's
kid?
I
like-
really want to see the sword.
I don't know, something to make it,
Probably
wanna
not.
something to make
Right.
yourself a little crazy.
Kind of want to cook that up like a
Are those
nice
all,
I
filet
guess
mignon.
metal,
Like,
But it's not. It's
bath
like
salt
wet.
bullet.
But you know,
Bath salts
they
would
all
be good
wanna
for
make it
fighting devils.
Ayahuasca,
Yeah.
ayahuasca, flock of flame.
like, is it cake? You know what I mean? Like, it looks like a shoe, but it's actually a cake.
銀行に転職しない？かなりいい額でお誘い来てるんだ。
She's trying to talk him like
Yeah,
get
like
out of his
out
job.
of chasing the gun one.
No,
Oh my
the
God,
food in this
See a movie on our way
this
home.
animated program makes me so hungry
As
every
long as it's not
time.
Black
Right.
Adam. I'm just kidding,
Yeah,
I
it's
haven't even
recent.
seen it yet.
Interesting.
He said I'm gonna keep my Instagram public.
タバコ1本もくれ。
I don't know what it is and I've never had it, but
I love that brand.
Eat it.
Wild Raven. Wild Raven money saving.
絶対ヤキ君を殺される。
I think if anyone fights the gun devil, they're gonna die.
実力不足だからだよ。
got mass.
相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せるわけにはいかない
Gun Devil's like freaking crazy.
I wonder if like seeing Denji though will make her think like, oh, maybe we do have a chance.
Yeah.
みんなみたいに普通の人だから。
That means you're gonna die? Because you're cool and no.
Yeah, maybe.
see, as opposed to this
Like
guy.
fell in it, you might as well just be like, oh,
Oh, she like reps him back up.
oh, she helped him.
Oh yeah, all the blood you need. It's all right there for you, buddy.
Right, Power's not up there like getting excited. No.
Never seen anyone crazy like that.
Right.
I love that she has the like anime
The way you're describing the gun devil, there's no way that you could
Kill this freaking devil and be like, I want my
like
kiss.
an army, it sounds like.
I just realized that this episode's titled "The Taste of a
Oh,
Kiss."
yeah.
Did Denji really get through
How
this,
do they
bro?
find the heart though? They need to leave. Like he ate him now. Or
Yeah.
does he well, but does
Bro,
he
you missed all the action.
feel
I
like
guess.
Where is
Him out,
it?
right? Because I feel like they'd still
Yeah.
be watching if they were
As
fighting.
far as like the rules type thing, you know.
Power.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I would do.
Or is he still fighting?
5 days.
3 days?
Days of
Damn.
just going.
What?
So she was just watching for 3 days?
It took eternity to
Well, I
find
don't
the
know.
eternity devil.
Like, is he still fucking fighting and they're just like all here sleeping and shit?
Oh, they cuddled.
Nah, get off me. I don't like that. Nah. I don't like that. Get off me. You haven't showered in 3 days.
What's he doing?
They're still fucking fighting.
Okay, so he just now got to the heart 3 days later?
Oh, it's just no. It's
We found the heart.
He's just alive?
Like being in a pool.
In a pool. Strawberry jam.
Okay. Wow.
No
He's
way.
a beast,
so
bro.
it's like- dang.
Wow. It was a lot more
There we go.
straightforward than we were talking about, but he's got the veiny
I
dick.
feel like he should be covered in more.
Well, he drank it all.
One of those
That's a
shits
weird,
where it makes you
analogy.
feel like you just slept
Where's
12
his
hours.
kiss?
You're like, holy
Yeah,
lord.
he's probably gone.
別の役もし続けてたからね。
So you're gonna get a kiss from a girl that hasn't brushed her teeth in 3 days or whatever?
You should get the fuck out of here. Yeah.
They're like stressed.
Literally.
Can't wait to see that.
Go do paperwork.
Yeah.
We don't need you to feel.
They're gonna be great at some point,
Give it up.
but like,
oh my god, look at that. Looks like Blinky.
I think that'll be good. Oh, nah, they seem like they're made for this.
Now they feel guilty.
No hard feelings. Happens all the time.
no foul.
We're just horsing around.
Let them quit. They're not good at their job.
Ew.
harvesting the gun flesh.
She likes to smoke, she likes to drink, she's a party girl.
Oh wait, are they?
Ooh, what's Makima gonna wear to the
Have like
party
a
now
love
that I
square.
care?
A drinking party. Is that what we have? We have
a drinking party.
We have a drinking party.
That makes sense.
Hey.
Well, they're not scared of the lung cancer devil.
No. In Japan? Fuck no.
A human with a dog with a chainsaw in him. Yeah, I don't get that. I don't get how the Eternity Devil knew about him. That was weird.
No, she probably knows like
Well, that's just
more about the
manipulation.
chainsaw devil, probably.
That's what that good D will do. Keep her in town. The secret?
She better
Wait,
than
what
anyone
secret?
who's ever gonna happen.
What secret?
Get her hair.
Come back!
What's Power looking at? She has nothing on her plate.
I bet you that'll be gone in my week, like in my house in like a week.
Pie story.
I thought she was eating food. I swear she was eating.
I think she does, but I think she does it kind of almost arbitrarily.
That's good. I don't think you should
Then
be
she just
drinking
want
much.
blood.
You enjoy that?
She acted like a chihuahua, like it's defensive of their food.
Oh, she looks cute.
You shouldn't have been invited.
Oh, this is the party.
I love how she
I was like, okay, we're going out for dinner, but that's what she said. I'm so immature.
Everything's all yours.
Like that. There's a wrap Thanksgiving too. We ain't gonna be having it.
That's how I eat with
Get the shrimp
You're young,
cocktail.
so eat a lot.
Get the mozzarella sticks. Oh, tempura. Go for it.
I guess, yeah, he
Yeah,
can.
right.
Oh, yeah.
Well, and also like
He's like, I'm hungry for something
like,
else.
Like cold Japanese style tacos too. Like like it's like very.
She's gonna use that
Denji, you're too easy going. Like literally?
Name, age, and the devil.
That's kind of personal. Let's learn.
He's only 16.
Damn, you're 16?
What?
Extra
Okay. I thought you said something else.
I thought he would have been at least like 18 or 19.
That's what I'm talking about, boy. Stay soft.
Why is this sweating?
Wait, you're not supposed to yell your contract out loud.
Why are you staring at him when you just said he was 16?
Like I
You got a
retracted that
contract with the
kiss.
Fox Double too?
No, that's the other guy. That's the other guy who was trying to fucking sell Denji on the river. Aki's to the right.
I only let Hotless call him my head too.
That's sketchy.
What you ate today was the most tastiest thing ever.
said that.
It worked for you. You look like a sailor. 8 sisters. Dang.
8 sisters? God
Did they all go to college?
Oh, dang.
Okay. Jeez. Oh, she
Yes.
wasted.
Shitty, yeah.
Dang, I was gonna say, like those drinks kick in
Why's she
heavy.
freaking out now?
Every day, ready.
Welcome to this world.
Kobe's gonna freak out again.
Yeah.
Drink a beer about it.
That's
Calm
why we
down.
tempt her up to celebrate. Yeah, but it's gonna be today, right? Is Aki pissed off at that? Oh, you're
So you're not
a whore?
special?
No escaping her.
It's a fun workout. But it's like,
She's that type
You're
of
a
girl.
whore.
You're my.
Oh my god.
Right, that's a better way to look at it. Maybe that's the wrong
Kiss
mindset.
everyone here but the rookies.
Denji's such a simp.
Daisy hungry.
And she showed them right.
So you're really simple for.
Oh my god.
Of course, by Aki.
That's what you're wearing?
She would show up.
They're all like intimidated.
15-year-old boy.
I'm pissed.
I love it. They were like, you didn't drink, did you, didn't you?
It's not even unbuttoned.
No.
The show's trash.
You can kiss someone? Nope. Who? Yup. Nope.
They're going hard for this.
I bet Makima doesn't even get girls.
What's this about kisses?
Go off and keep him juggling, King. Hell yes, man. This is great.
Crossroads. For it. I'm sure she'll do it.
Dude.
Oh, women.
That's a good step in the right direction. But it's not enough.
How old's Miss Makima?
Like this reminded me of like my early single days of bartending, where I'm just like, there's several people in very close proximity of one another.
Why are you smiling, Makima?
Shared
My
relationship.
What the fuck's up with this? She's not gonna give the information that
Oh,
easily.
that's her eyes.
I feel like.
You gonna say something, or you just gonna drink that Coors Light? Like, what's up?
Maybe she's like, no, I will. No.
Makima can drink.
Oh, she's
Oh, I feel like nobody's gonna be able to.
Because I don't think you're human.
She's always trying to clown, it seems.
Yeah, it's like Thor. It's like where it's like beer just doesn't affect me.
Ellie, you're good.
Power's just in it for the food. Oh my god.
This isn't good.
Watch it, Makima's fine. Look, she's just
She got
there.
there late, so. She can hold her liquor.
Watch her use like the liquor devil.
She takes
Power can hold her chicken.
That was good. I'll have another.
She's just too smart.
Maybe you do deserve the Nobel Prize.
100.
I don't even know.
It doesn't matter. It's more than yours.
Mine was higher.
I've never actually taken a night.
Elon Musk.
She just
She's like, bruh.
108,000, 100
Oh my
million.
Oh. But she's like dumb wasted.
Oh, that's a weird look.
Like this.
Oh my god.
wow.
Too much. The animation is too much.
In front of all your coworkers.
And he's 16.
Ew, don't say it's melting in your mouth. What is it if it's on top? That was the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
Was it cheated?
I'm horrified. I don't even care.
We're gonna need some.
What the fuck was that? I don't like throws. And here you are now. I'm still like nauseous.
Oh my god.
Those are like, I need some peppermint or something.
I was just trying to help him.
He's crying. So sad. It's his first
Like
kiss.
just straight on.
Okay.
Straight on.
Did it get in your mouth?
My nose and and like
Great.
you know play like it was
It's not like the throwing up, it's the eating of.
How am I gonna edit this?
Don't think about
high
it.
eating scene from Stand By Me. It was fucking
I don't want to watch this.
Casey always said.
First base, second base. Stream.
Like anytime we're watching like YouTube and someone throws up, I'm like, I can't.
We can't eat and watch Daddy Duncan videos. Always something going up in his
I can edit that out.
Of all the things that we've seen in this show, if we have seen a lot of crazy shit,
Well, I vomited on more than I would like.
that would change this.
Oh, Courtney, you're actually a likable character this time around.
Like, feed them.
Right.
Normal.
Denji ain't coming back.
They should
Denji's done with Shop. Alright?
She's like taking him.
Yeah,
Oh wait,
And
or
I
was it
am too.
opposite? I couldn't tell.
We're going to play
Oh, if I'm
Nintendo.
Denji, I'm pissed.
Like, wasn't she the one who threw up?
Yeah, I got some water.
Drunk from drinking or to get drunk from the puke?
Ew.
Yeah, he might. Yeah, there might have been more beer in that puke, so I don't know.
I'm saying.
Can we stop dwelling on this?
this
Can we
is-
go like to the next day or something?
Be legendary because of that.
Oh,
You better be sober.
what
Why did you
happened?
take him back to your house? Why did you take him back to your house?
Never want to see you again.
What?
Oh.
Okay, she also.
Oh, you're about to give me the bunnage?
I was speechless.
We about to have some funnage?
I can't get over he's a kid.
I like that.
He's
feels
a
weird.
kid.
You brought him here.
No, he's
Are you
he's
still
a
drunk?
chainsaw man. It's not chainsaw kid. Morgan.
How the fuck did they just
chainsaw
look at
man? Okay.
How much are you doing?
He carved
He carved
out the heart of the
16?
eternity devil this morning. The kid is a man.
Well, I did grab her tits, so there's that.
Did he get drunk from the puke?
No, they were. No, I guess he wasn't.
Stop talking about my woman. Oh yeah, I can tell.
Just because she has two eyes.
Maybe if you weren't a drunk mess all the time,
She's
maybe
so
I would
wasted. She woke up
like
drunk.
you better.
yeah.
You know what's a turn on? When girls don't throw up in my mouth.
Hey, just have a little drunken snug and make out sesh. You don't gotta bang.
You think she, I mean, even if she brushed her teeth,
I do that
it's
with my
still
cat.
like that puke sticks
Yeah.
around. Oh, boob on the arm.
Boob on the arm. You know it every time. You notice it every time.
She whisper something.
What are you telling me?
No matter how.
Oh.
What?
Right, look at the actor. Stop picking up the
This feels like
It looks like a.
I think he's also just.
No,
Oh no, that's actually.
But yeah, this is cool. This is a really cool
I think you're wondering why I don't include music in these videos.
But it seemed like he was drunk. Something was wrong. He was going up and he was
so
Money.
I don't think there was some
very
like,
old
like I don't think it's like
old school video game.
He did a double hundred. He lost like.
Just go to your contacts and your phone, delete all of them. Okay?
Like,
I don't know what's happening either. I just think
Sell everything in your house. Nothing matters. The only
Like, I
thing that
don't
matters
know.
is money.
Every woman in the show, slash girl, I don't know how old they are now, obviously, apparently.
Oh my god.